Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. So a warm welcome to the second contest. We just had an exciting contest, and I'm sure for the second contest, it will also be very exciting and engaging, full of energy. So it's the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz. We are doing the regional contest, and the quiz is proudly organized by the College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, Dex Technologies, and Eridec Ghana Limited. We want to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board to support us in various ways. We want to tell them that we appreciate them and we are grateful. So the 2025 quiz competition is proudly sponsored by the KNUST e-learning. We want to appreciate them for all our media and video coverages, the beautiful videos you have been providing for us. We want to say thank you very much. The KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, we thank you for providing us with extremely beautiful venues. Thank you so very much. Dex Technologies, you always make our technology challenge round a reality, and it's always very exciting, very engaging, and hands-on. At Dex Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Ghana Grid Company Limited, popularly known as Gridco, we thank you for coming on board. And at Gridco, they provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, we thank you for supporting us. And at MTN, we say everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited. Nestle, thank you very much for providing us with juicy, very juicy drinks. At Nestle Ghana Limited, we say good food, good life. And to our media partner, Jsmq TV, we appreciate you for your dedicated support and collaboration. We thank you for amplifying our reach and impact. And at Jsmq TV, we say, let me also use the opportunity to appreciate deeply all the headmasters and headmistresses, heads of various schools for allowing your students to participate in this year's competition. And of course, to the teachers who have prepared these students very well, we say thank you very much. People say that the teacher's reward is in heaven, but I'm sure the teacher's reward can definitely be found on this earth. And to our students who are proudly representing their various schools, we thank you very much, and I'm sure that, again, you make a mark as you represent your schools in this particular competition. Are the supporters in the house? Supporters, where are they? Supporters, can I hear your voices? Supporters. Well done. And can you give a round of applause to the various schools? I like the energy. I like the energy. I like the energy. I like the energy. And my name is Augustine Angelina Silverkin, a professor of virology at the Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology and a senior research fellow at the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research in Tropical Medicine. And I'll be your quiz mistress for this afternoon's competition. Remember that for the Junior Science and Maths Quiz, we have targeted our learners in the junior high schools so they are able to exhibit some level of understanding when it comes to the basic principles underlining the physical sciences as well as the life sciences. And our impression is that through this quiz, we will see a lot of teamwork. They will be able to exhibit what is known as critical thinking right at this very early stage in their life activities. I'm sure the various schools have prepared very well. And as always, I really want to enjoy the competition. And I'm sure the contestants are also looking very much forward to enjoying this competition. And so competing in this contest, we have three schools, three amazing schools. So we have Jsmq Presby School, we have Pedu MAB Basic School, and we also have University JHS Sophia K. Hayford. I can add school competing in this contest. Oh, supporters, I thought you would give a round of applause. Yes, that's the spirit. That is the spirit. Now we want to hear the voices of our contestants. We want to hear the voices of our contestants. And so, Jsmq Presby School is proudly represented by
Grace Abeka Basic 9.
Very good. And
Ejeya Oketi Basic 8.
Very good. Please, let's clap for them. Well done for representing your school. Pedu MAB Basic is also proudly represented by
Julius Magminata.
And your grade? Julius, we want to know your grade or your class.
Basic 9.
Very good. And?
Benedicta Isuman Basic 9.
Please, a round of applause for them. Well done for representing your school. And University JHS Sophia K. Hayford is also proudly represented by
Daniel Adomose, Basic 9.
Very good. And?
Elom Kudi, Basic 9.
Very good. A round of applause for them. Right, contestants, you have some buzzers in front of you, and we want to test your buzzers because you'll be using this particular instrument or equipment or machine very often or often in this particular competition. And you also have microphones. I see that your microphones are on. I would recommend that you leave them on throughout this particular competition until we are done with the contest. So can we hear the buzzer or the sound from the buzzer for Jsmq? Very good. Pedu MA. Very good. University JHS. Very good. So we'll do it again, this time at a much faster pace. Jsmq. Pedu MA. University JHS. Very good. So there will be 4 rounds in this contest. Round 1, the fundamentals. Round 2, fastest finger, fastest brain. Round 3, the science and technology challenge. Round 4, decoding the clues round. Contestants, beginning of the round, I would go through the instructions and I would really recommend that you pay attention whilst I go through the instructions. So we start with round 1, the fundamentals. This round consists of biology, chemistry, physics, mathematics, and ICT questions. If a school answers a question correctly, 3 points will be awarded. If it is incorrectly answered, it becomes available as a bonus to the 2 other schools to compete for. The score for a bonus question is a point or 1 point. And the various schools will have 15 seconds to answer questions that do not require calculations and 40 seconds to answer questions that require calculations. And the schools, you have two good attempts for your main question and just 1 attempt for a bonus question. And bonus questions are open to the 2 other schools to compete for by ringing the buzzer. My dear contestants representing your schools, if you fail to press the buzzer before you answer a bonus question, I will nullify that particular answer. And if your answer is even correct, I'll still go ahead and nullify it, which means that no score or no points will be gained, even if you are right. I wish you all the best wishes. So the first question, I'll give you 15 seconds, and there's a preamble to all the schools. Name 1 important factor to consider when selecting a site for a fish farm. Jsmq.
The availability of land.
That is correct. 3 points. Pedu MA.
The availability of nutrients in the soil.
Correct. 3 points. University JHS.
Availability of water.
Correct. 3 points. Well done to all the schools. Question 2. Contestants, I'll give you 15 seconds again. Pedu MA. Explain how lithium atom becomes positively charged.
Lithium atoms becomes positively charged when it donates or loses its one electron. When to get 2, and we know that the first shell takes a maximum of 2 points, making it stable and a cation.
3 points. 3 points. Well done. University JHS. Explain how oxygen atom becomes negatively charged.
Oxygen atom becomes negatively charged by gaining extra electrons to become stable.
I will not give that to you. You still have some time. Bonus? Yes, Pedu MA.
Oxygen atom becomes negatively charged when it gains 2 more electrons to become stable.
1 point. Well done. 1 point. Well done. Asinbreku, your main question. Using litmus paper, explain why water is neutral.
It does not have any effect on litmus paper.
You still have some more time. I think you can add some few more sentences.
It does not change the color of the litmus paper.
So I think I'll give you 2 out of 3. I was expecting you to tell me the fact that maybe blue litmus paper turns red in acidic medium, whereas red litmus paper turns blue in basic medium. But as soon as you expose water to litmus paper, because it is neutral, it will remain the same. So I needed you to give me the basis of litmus paper. But well done. You have 2 points. Well done. Question 3. Contestants, I'll give you 15 seconds. And there's a preamble, so please listen attentively. A student is working on a project using different applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on a computer. To work faster and switch between programs effectively and efficiently, she was encouraged by her teacher to use shortcuts or keyboard shortcuts. Provide the correct shortcuts for each of the following tasks. I'll take it again. A student is working on a project using different applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint on a computer. To work faster and switch between programs efficiently and effectively, she was encouraged by her teacher to use keyboard shortcuts. Provide the correct shortcut for each of the following tasks. University JHS. To switch between open apps.
Control-Shift-T.
That is not correct, but you have another chance. Your time is up. Bonus. Time is up, so it's Alt and Tab. Asinbreku. To open the File Explorer and check where a file is saved.
Windows plus U.
That is not correct. You have another chance.
Windows plus S.
That is not correct. Bonus, University JHS?
Windows plus E.
Correct, 1 point. Purdue MAB Basic. To close a program you are done using.
Control plus X.
That is not correct. You have another chance.
Control plus escape.
That is not correct. Your time is up. Bonus, University JHS.
ALTF4.
That is correct. 1 point. The next question, question 4. Contestants, I'll give you 40 seconds. And there's a preamble. There's a preamble. What is the corresponding temperature in degrees Celsius for the following temperatures? What is the corresponding temperature in degrees Celsius for the following temperatures? Asinbreku, 500 degrees Fahrenheit.
Mm-hmm.
227 degrees.
That is not correct, but you still have some time. Don't worry, you still have some time. Go on. I've already disqualified Purdue. Your time is up. Bonus. Time is up, so I will hold on to the answer. Purdue MA, 960 degrees Fahrenheit.
Please, the question again. (1,632 degrees Celsius).
That is not correct, but you still have some time.
1,223 degrees Celsius.
That is not correct. Bonus. Time is up, so I'll hold on to the answer. University JHS. 804 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm sorry. 804 degrees Fahrenheit.
(151 degrees Celsius).
That is not correct. You still have some time to redeem yourself. Time is up. Yes, Purdue MAB.
531 degrees Celsius.
That is not correct. So you know the formula for converting your Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius. And we know that it is your Fahrenheit as given minus 32, all multiplied by 5/9. So I'm struggling to understand what you were calculating. So as in Breku, I gave you 500 Fahrenheit. If you actually imputed and calculated very well, then the correct answer you should have provided was 260 and not 270 degrees Celsius. Purdue MA, I gave you 960 degrees Fahrenheit. So the correct answer you needed to have provided 516 degrees Celsius. And then University JHS, I gave you 804 degrees Fahrenheit. So correct answer, 429 degrees Celsius. I'm sure you had issues with your calculations. The next question, question 5, PEDU MAB basic. Also 40 seconds. A chemist mixes two solutions in the ratio 4:1. If he needs 25 ml of the mixture, how many milliliters of each solution are needed?
So you need 20 milliliters for the first and 5 milliliters for the second.
Correct. 3 points. Well done. University JHS. A piece of ribbon is divided between two people in the ratio 3:5. If the total length of the ribbon is 64 centimeters, how much does each person get?
The first person will get 24 ribbons, and the second person will get 40.
Correct. 3 points. Well done. Jsmq. The distance between two cities is 300 kilometers. A bus takes 6 hours to cover the distance. How long will it take if the speed is increased so that the bus travels in the ratio 5:6 of the original time?
Kilometers. 110 kilometers.
That is not correct, but you still have some time. You have 2 attempts. Time up. Bonus. Yes. PEDU MA.
160 kilometers.
That is not correct. Did I hear another bell? Oh, so it's just 5 hours. It's 5 hours, the same ratio related. 5 hours. 5 hours, and not even in kilometers. The next question, there's a preamble, question 6. So contestants, I'll be making some statements and I expect you to indicate or state whether they are true or false. And these questions cannot be passed on as bonuses. University JHS. The nucleus is often referred to as the powerhouse of the cell because it produces energy.
False.
Correct. 3 points. Jsmq. Ribosomes are responsible for synthesizing proteins in both plant and animal cells.
True.
That is correct for 3 points. PEDU MAB basic. The vacuole in plant cells is generally smaller than that in animal cells, which might have multiple smaller vacuoles.
False.
That is correct for 3 points. Jsmq. Files stored in the cloud are always accessible, even without an internet connection.
False.
That is correct for 3 points. PEDU MA. Storing data in the cloud means you have full control over who can access it.
It's false.
That is correct for 3 points. University JHS. Cloud storage automatically backs up all files on your computer without user intervention.
False.
That is correct. And on that note, we have come to the end of round 1. A round of applause for all our contestants. Well done, well done, well done, well done. We want to appreciate and acknowledge all our sponsors for coming on board to support us in various ways. We say thank you, and we are deeply and truly grateful to you. Thank you to the KNUST e-learning, the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning, DEX Technologies, Ghana Grid Company Limited, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana, and our media partner, Kesben TV, where at Kesben TV we say, Obia Bedidi. So we have our scores. We have our scores. And at the end of round 1, Jsmq Presby School has 11 points. Please clap for them. Pedu MAB Basic, 16 points. Please clap for them. University JHS Sophia K. Hayford, 14 points. Please clap for them. So we move to round 2. Round 2 is the fastest brain, fastest finger round. And here, one question will be read out, and contestants will compete to be the first to answer. Contestants, each question carries a score of 4 good points. And when a contestant is ready to respond, hopefully with the correct answer, they need to press the buzzer before you attempt to answer, or before they attempt to answer. Answering before pressing the buzzer will disqualify the school from answering that particular question. And after the buzzer has been pressed, contestants, you must provide me with the answer in 3 seconds. If a school gets the question wrong, the 2 remaining schools get to compete to answer that particular question. And each school will have a maximum of only 1 attempt to answer the question. And in this particular round, a wrong answer would attract a penalty of 1 point. So guard your points, guard your marks. And before I give my best wishes to you, let's do a buzzer check. Let's do a buzzer check. University JHS. Oh. So please pay attention. University JHS. Okay, Jsmq. And can we have Pedu MA? Okay, so let's do it again. Pedu MA, Jsmq, University JHS. We do it for the last time. Jsmq, Pedu MA, University JHS. Okay, very best wishes to all of you. So the first one, the form of energy which flows from one point to another due to temperature differences is known as Jsmq.
Heat energy.
Correct, 4 points. Next one. The number of oxygen atoms present in 3 molecules of carbon dioxide is University JHS.
2 oxygen atoms.
-1. Bonus, Pedu MA.
6 oxygen atoms.
4 points. Next one. At what age do the permanent molars typically begin to erupt in humans? You get 4 points or you get -1. Oh, it's around the age of 6, 7, thereabouts. Then they begin to show the permanent molars. Next one. What type of malware tricks users by appearing to be legitimate software but causes harm once in University JHS?
Trojan horse.
4 points. Well done. Next one. If 1 maps to 1, 2 maps to 4, 3 maps to 9, then Pedu MA.
Then 4 maps to 16. Then 5
Who
maps
else, -1, who else rang the bell or pressed the buzzer? Time up. Okay, so that ends there. But then the real yeah, so I'll finish it just so you know the question. So then what is the rule of the mapping? And it is x squared. Sometimes you need to wait and listen to the question. The next one, University JHS, we've exhausted the question. Oh, time was up, so that question is done. Next one. Name one factor that influences the rate of diffusion. Asinbreku.
Concentration gradients.
Correct. 4 points. Next one. If x equals 2 and y equals 4, find the value of the expression 12x raised to the power 3, y raised to the power 2, all divided by 16xy raised to the power 4. Yes, University J.
256.
Excuse me? University, yeah, University JHS, what did you say? What did you say? University JHS. University, oh, okay, next one. A collection of so -1 for them. A collection of related web pages linked together and hosted under a single domain is called
Website.
Website is correct. 4 points. And on that note, we have come to the end of round 1. We want to thank the KNU, round 2. We want to thank the KNUST e-learning, the Institute of Distance Learning at KNUST, Dex Technologies, Gridco, MTN Stakeholders Management, Nestle Ghana, and to our media partners, Kesben TV. We say thank you very much. So we have the scores. And at the end of, so I'll give you the scores you made in round 2, and then I'll proceed with the total scores. So round 2, Jsmq 8 points, Pedu MA 3 points, and University JHS 6 points. But this is where the action is. So at the end of round 2, Jsmq Presby School 19 points. Please clap for them. Pedu MAB Basic 19 points. Please clap for them. University JHS Sophia K. Hayford 20 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Well done. So we want to move to round 3. Round 3 is our science and technology challenge, and here one question will be given to all schools. The question in this round will require that you contestants perform a task, after which an assessment will be made. The score for this round is 10 points. And contestants, I'll give you 10 minutes to complete the task. This particular round is powered by DEX Science Set. Before I go through your instructions, I'll allow our technical team to provide you with all the logistics you need for this particular round, after which I'll take you through the preamble and the various tasks and questions. So we'll be back shortly. Okay, contestants. So you have been given 2 batteries labeled A and B. You also have an RGB LED labeled L, a key module labeled K, a resistor labeled R2, and a lens labeled S. Jsmq, do you have all these items?
Yes, please.
Okay, Pedu MA, you have everything?
Yes, please.
Right, University JHS, do you have everything? University JHS, do you have everything?
Yes, please.
Great. So I have provided you with a picture, and I need you to construct an electrical circuit as you have been provided, or as provided on your sheet. And there are some related questions or related task questions. So when you are done with the construction of the circuit, I need you to switch on the key K1, K2, and K3. You need to do this one after the other and write your observations. Then you need to switch on key K2 and K3 and view L through the lens provided and write your observation. Then your third task is to switch on the key K1 and K2 and view. So it's the same second related task. Now the third task, the third task is for you to switch on K1 and K2 and view L through the lens provided and write your observation. The fourth task is for you to switch on the key K1 and K3. Then you view L through the lens provided and write your observation. Then the last thing for you to attempt is which key combination do you think will give a white light output from the RGB LED? So it's a simple task and I need you to complete this task within the next 10 minutes. All the best. Contestants, you have just a minute more to go. So you should be dotting all your I's and crossing your T's. All right? Just under 1 minute. And I'll say stop when. Time is up. Stop work, contestants. Contestants, your pens must be down. Your pens must be down. Well done. Your pens must be down. Don't attempt writing anything. Okay, your pens must be down. Well done. Well done. So our consultants will come for your sheets and then we'll take it through rigorous marking, after which I'll come back and provide the scores. Okay. Oh, welcome back. So, how was the activity like for you? Was it exciting, engaging, very difficult? Were you confused? University JHS, how was it? How was it?
It was bad.
Oh, wow. Okay, Pedu MA.
It was manageable.
Manageable. Asinbreku.
Not bad.
It wasn't bad. Okay. I wish that we had the time to delve into why University JHS said it was bad, but of course, I'm sure I can always meet them behind closed doors. So it was a very simple task, and importantly, we provided you with an image. So really, the catch was for you to construct it as shown in the picture per the document we gave you. And we asked you some few related questions to switch on the key K1, K2, and K3, one after the other, and write your observations, plus all the other keys we said you needed to switch on. So indeed, if you switched on now to the answers, and I'm sure here the various schools and the contestants will end up grading themselves. So K1, when it is turned on, it will turn on the blue light. K2 turns on green light. K3 turns on red light. So K1 blue light, K2 green light, and then K3 red light. We gave you RGB light. And then the second thing was for you to switch on the key K2 and K3 and then view the lens, view L through the lens provided. And of course, if you did this very well, you would have seen a yellow color through the lens. Then the third one was for you to switch on K1 and K2 and repeat. So view the L through the lens. If you did it well, a cyan color was seen through the lens. And then the fourth one was for you to switch on K1 and K3. Again, you had to view L through the lens and write your observations and your observation. Again, if you did it very well, magenta color was seen through the lens. Then the fifth one was which key combination do you think will give a white light output from the RGB LED? Of course, all the color in the RGB, that is red, green, and blue. And so I'm sure the various contestants, you have already graded yourselves. But let me go through the responses provided by the various schools. So I'll start with Asinbreku. Asinbreku task 1. It's difficult for me to give you any marks for task 1 because you indicated that the LED was on, but I was interested in the color. So it's 0 out of 2. The second task, again, you indicated that the LED was on, but you failed to provide me with a color, unfortunately. So I still give you 0 out of 2. The third task, again, you repeated the same thing, indicated that the LED was on, but you failed to provide any color. So it's still 0 out of 2. Then the fourth task, you said that you repeated the same thing. So you said the LED was on, but then again, you did not provide anything. Then the last one, unfortunately, you provided a wrong answer, but I saw a lot of effort, teamwork, so I can only dash you 1 out of 10. I'll give you 1 point out of 10 for effort. Please clap for them. Pedu MAB Basic. Pedu MAB Basic. They said it was manageable. So tax 1, Rightly done, 2 out of 2, well done. Tax 2, you messed up, so you gave me a wrong color, so that means 0 out of 2. Tax 3, well done, you gave me the correct answer, 2 out of 2. Tax 4, again, repeated, you gave the correct answer, 2 out of 2. Tax 5, oh, well done, you provided me with the correct answer, which means that out of 10, you were able to get 4 answers correct. So that gives you 8 out of 10. Well done, well done, well done, well done. University JHS, they said it was bad, and indeed. So tax 1, 0 out of 2, no answer was given. Tax 2, same, no answer. Tax 3, no answer. Tax 4, no answer. Tax 5, no answer. So I can't even give you anything for effort. So unfortunately, you can only get 0 out of 10, but that is also something. So please, let's clap for them. Well done. So we want to now check out on our result. But before then, I need to acknowledge our sponsors. Thank you, e-learning, KNUST. Thank you, Institute of Distance Learning, KNUST, Dex Technologies. Indeed, this round was something else, and we appreciate you for supporting this particular round. Ghana Grid Company Limited, thank you very much. MTN Stakeholders Management, we appreciate you. Nestle Ghana Limited, thank you so very much. And Kesben TV, where we say Obia Bedidi. Now to the moment, well, not yet to the moment, but we have been waiting for the scores. So you know the scores you accrued in round 3, Jsmq 1 point, Pedu MA 8 points, University JHS 0 point, making a total at the end of round 3. Jsmq Presby School, 20 points, well done. Pedu MAB Basic, 27 points. Please clap for them. Well done. University JHS Sophia K. Hayford, 20 points. Please clap for them. Now we zoom into round 4, the last round. But before then, we have some substitutions, actually, a substitution to make. So University JHS Sophia K. Hayford, Elom is leaving us for Blessing Kwesi Esumang to join us. Thank you very much, Elom. Well done for proudly representing your school. Well done. Please clap for Blessing as he takes his seat. Blessing, just so we hear your voice, can you mention your full name and the grade or the class or the level you are in?
Okay, so my name is Blessing Kwesi Esumang, BS 8.
Well done. Welcome. Please, a round of applause for Blessing. So we move to the last round, which is decoding the clues round. And here, contestants, I'll be reading the questions out as a series of clues. If the question is answered on the first clue, 6 points. If answered on the second clue, 5 points. On the third clue, 4 points. On the fourth and any other indication, 3 points. Contestants, you need to press the buzzer before attempting to answer the question. If you fail to press the buzzer before you answer a question and you are able to provide a correct answer, unfortunately, I will disqualify and nullify your answer in this particular case. So you need to press the buzzer and then you can go on with your answer. Since this particular round is buzzer dependent, I think we need to do a quick buzzer check. Let's listen to the sound from University JHS. Okay, Jsmq. Pedu MA. Let's do it again. Pedu MA. University JHS. Jsmq. Last one, Jsmq. Okay, University JHS and Pedu MA. All right, best of wishes from me to all of you. I start with the first set. I describe the feeding relationships within an ecosystem. Arrows in my diagram show the direction of... Who pressed the bell? Pedu MA.
Food chain.
Correct. 5 points. 5 points. Next set. I am the middle value in an ordered data set. Pedu MA.
Median.
Correct. 6 points. Amazing. The last but one set. I make hard work feel lighter, though I have no motto. University JHS.
Pause.
Though I have no motto or spark. I'm ancient, yet still used today, often hidden in plain sight. Your toolbox and playground both know me very well. I multiply your strength. I include the liver, pulley or pally. Who rang the bell? Yes, Asinfosu.
Simple machine.
Simple machine, Jsmq. So that is 3 points. 3 points. Well done. The very last one. I am the process by which plants lose water vapor from their leaves. Who rang the bell? Pedu MA.
Transpiration.
I am influenced by factors like temperature, humidity, and wind. I play a role in the movement of water up the plant. Who rang it? Jsmq.
Osmosis.
I can help cool the plant. Stomata on the leaves regulate my rate. Who am I? We can only rely on University JHS. Daniel and Blessing. Oh, time out. Supporters, anyone who can provide us with a correct answer? Or even the contestants, maybe now you know. Anyone to help us with the correct answer? Anyone? You only need to shout. Is someone shouting an answer? Oh, then I need to provide the answer myself. It is evaporation. Evaporation. I said I'm a process by which plants lose water vapor from their leaves. And that is evaporation or evaporation. On that note, we have come to the end of round 4 and of course to the end of this particular competition. Well done to all the competing schools. Congratulations. Very, very well done. We want to acknowledge our sponsors, but before then, remember the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz is organized by the College of Science at the Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology in collaboration with the Ghana Education Service, DEX Technologies, and Everydec Ghana Limited. We want to appreciate our sponsors. And so we want to say thank you very much to the KNUST e-learning for all our media and video coverages. We want to say thank you to the KNUST Institute of Distance Learning. They always make our journey around the nation very easy and pleasurable. We also want to say thank you to Dex Technologies. Indeed, today's technology challenge was a reality, and it was so exciting, and it was hands-on like I saw. So at Dex Technologies, we say practical science is now practical. Ghana Grid Company Limited, popularly known as Gridco, we thank you for coming on board, and they always provide reliable electricity grid for development. MTN Stakeholders Management, we say thank you for supporting us, and we know that at MTN we say everywhere you go. Nestle Ghana Limited, oh, your Milo drinks are very nice. Thank you very much. And at Nestle Ghana Limited, we say good food, good life. And to our media partner, Jsmq TV, we thank you for partnering with us. And indeed, you have amplified our reach and impact. We appreciate you for your dedicated support and collaboration. At Jsmq TV, we say Obiya Bedidi. Now to the moment we have all been waiting for. To that very moment. The scores are in, and I'm sure you are not even interested in the scores you accrued within round 4. So I'll just go straight to the totals, and this time in ascending order. And so at the end of the second contest for the Central Regional Qualifying Series for the 2025 Junior Science and Math Quiz, University Junior High School Sophia K. Hayford, 20 points. Please clap for them. Well done. Jsmq Presby School, 23 points. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. And to pay do MAB Basic, 38 points. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. I'm sure at the end of tomorrow's contest, we will get to know whether you join us in Kumasi for the national contest. And really, I'm really looking forward to seeing you in Kumasi. To Jsmq Presby School and University JHS Sophia K. Hayford. Unfortunately, this will be the end of the road for you as far as the 2025 Junior Science and Maths Quiz is concerned, but you did very well. There was a lot of teamwork. I saw a lot of dedication. And so please don't look down on yourselves. It's just one of those things. But you know what? Go home, go to your schools, brace yourselves up, be bold, and let's see you again in 2026. Thank you very much to our viewers and to our listeners. We want to appreciate our technical team, our video men, all the people behind the scenes who are helping us. And we are done for today's contest, and we hope to see you tomorrow morning as we go through a contest with 3 amazing schools. I wish you very well and have a good evening. Thank you and bye-bye.